Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Desert Fox made by Northwood Manufacturing. It's the 24AS. This is going to be their middle floor plan. It's their 24. It's going to be a front bedroom, kind of a sideways, two-way, sideways around the bed. I'm still going to have the same amenities as standard in a Desert Fox. Dual pane windows, solar reflective glass, insulated, sealed and heated holding tanks, 16-inch tire and wheel, Dexter axles, self-adjusting brakes, large water capacities, large holding tank capacities, big tongue jack out on the front end. And again, Northwood is one of the last few manufacturers out there that start from the ground up and build their own frame and build the coach on top of it. So everything's placed where it's supposed to be, axles, holding tanks. They design the frame around how it's going to get put together in-house themselves. So did a really good job there. And if you're looking for an all-season toy hauler, Desert Fox is probably one of the only, if not very few, smaller towable trailer that is a true all-season toy hauler that you can use all year round. So today we're talking about the 24AS, front bedroom, mid bathroom, kitchen, living room area with a power bunk system, fuel station, onboard generator, big TV, lots of seating, plenty of storage. Some of the nice features to talk about is built in the Northwest, so they use plywood in the floor and in the roof. A crowned roof top, side to side, front to rear, so no snow or water is going to pool on top. It all rolls off. Strong frame system, patio, outdoor patio kit, so we have a nice patio, 8-foot patio out the back end when we're using it in toy hauler mode, and plenty of cargo space. So if you're looking for the good rugged toy hauler that is a good all-season toy hauler, Desert Fox is really a great one to look at and pay attention to if that's what you're looking for. If you have any questions in our toy hauler inventory, whether it be Desert Fox, any of those brands or models that we carry, make sure you ask for me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me at 541-979-1770. And if you just happen to drive in, please make sure to ask for me. I'd be happy to assist. Thank you and have a great day.